There is nothing in God's vocabulary like clever or stupid. We are either fools or we are either wise before God. Choose where you are. Where do you belong? When two tribes, the Lhuyas and the Lhuyas, are fighting over a fool called Salasia, whose history we know that even the night waking up yesterday was also wrapped up and beaten in Kiambu in a club. Was now that Lhuyas that were fighting him? I think let us not come here to be used wrongly to sanitize wrong things. I've always maintained, let people bear their crosses. The same does not even have respect for the dead. He has been beating people left, right, and center. The Lhuyas and Lhuyas, you know you have lived together. And you have a match, the Bashemeji Derby, on Sunday. Yes. Avoid the shrieking like those of a shrieking bush baby from Salasia. Face yourselves. That is not a political rally. If Salasia wants a political rally to incite people, let him find understand